Your stomach growling has nothing to do with hunger. It is actually your digestive system doing its cleaning cycle. Every few hours, even when there is no food inside, your intestines push leftover air, fluid and debris through your gut to clean it out. That movement creates the rumbling sound you hear. It is called the migrating motor complex, and your body runs it automatically between meals. The reason it feels louder when you are hungry is simply because there is no food in the way to muffle the sound. Your stomach is not crying for food. It is just doing maintenance. What other body facts should I cover? Drop it below.